Fourth question, why background jobs in release status for longer time? And why background jobs are stuck in release status? The answer is like no available background work process. That means whenever the background work process is not available, we are going to check this RDISP WP no BTC. And first we need to go and first we need to visit SM50. We are going to check whether the available work process is available or not, the background. If there like everything is, if it is like 0, we have to increase the background work process. Where we can increase the background process? In RZ10. You just go there and select the default profile, external maintenance, change, and then create parameter RDISP slash WP underscore no underscore BTC. You just click this, you can find the parameter. You just give the parameter value as 7 or 8, and then after you just take copy, and then after you just go back. I am not going to change anything, so go back and again. So once you come back here, you need to save here, and once save, you need to restart the system. Then only in OS level, then only the parameter value is going to be reflected into the system. The next reason is no job server is assigned. So we can check the job server in SM61. SM61. No job server is assigned for background. So all background servers we can check here. You just come here and check, and you just available servers is going to be, you can check. You can click here. We are having only one server, right? If you have multiple servers, you can click by checking this. That's it. You can able to get this screen, and after that you can able to see environment for external program is okay. Execution is okay. Everything it should be okay. Server is configured correctly for background processing. It is the set by proper parameter values are also we can check. Major parameters for background processing, see here, btctime, WP no BTC. This should be 60, like we are available 6 background work process. If you want, you can increase. And then after the start time and event time, the job schedule time for latter date and time in SM36, the start and start condition, date and time, like you taken some longer data, like the date is like today is on 26. You may select why it is not released means why keep in release status means the schedule time is not reached. Suppose it is scheduled on the next month, like up to this time the job is not going to be moved from release status to ready. So that is the reason. And the next, the parameter misconfiguration. I already explained you in ready status why the job is stuck in ready status. So these 2 reasons is there, like parameter misconfiguration and no availability of background process. Here we can assume like in release status, why it is stuck in release status means this parameter value may set by 0 or there is no availability. But when it comes to ready status, why the jobs are stuck in ready status means the background jobs are configured. That means 6 background work processes are there. But when it comes to released, there is no, you can assume there are no background processes configured into the system. And the parameter is misconfiguration. RDISP BTC time equal to set by low. That means lesser than scheduled days means the scheduler date means the scheduler time is like 60 seconds, right? It is even lesser than that. We just now check it in SM61, right? In health check, here also we can check. You can see here it is set by 0 or something. You need to reconfigure this. To reconfigure this, we need to go to the RZ10, You know that RZ10, and then after select the default profile, extended maintenance, change, create parameter, RDISP BTC, it should be small, RDISP BTC time. You can do like you can check for the verification purpose. I'm just checking. Double click on it. See here, it is already set by 60. If the value is set by mistakenly, if it is set by 0, we have to change the parameter value as 60 as it is. And then after system maintenance. System maintenance. When we are going for system maintenance means, so whenever we are going for upgrades, the support pack upgrade, some upgrade, at that time we are going to stop all the background jobs by using BTC trans 1, where we can stop. SA38 is the T code to execute that BTC trans, BTC TRNS1. So this is the program. So you need to execute this program whenever we are going for support pack upgrade, some upgrade. For that time we need to execute this program, and as well whenever we are going for system refresh, at that time also we are going to run this job, because all the updates should be stopped, all the ongoing jobs execution going to be stopped, then only we can upgrade the system. That's the reason. And the next, missing authorizations. So what are the missing authorizations means? For user related, suppose he schedule the job, right, but he's not able to, like, he's not having the proper authorizations, like he's not having batch BTC job scheduling authorizations. So that is the reason. And also some more reasons, like user locked or deleted. This is also one of the reason. The user don't have the BTC schedule authorizations, and the user may locked, the user may deleted. These are the reasons why background jobs are in still release status. This is where we can check the all troubleshooting steps. So if it is no available background process, what we are going to do? So we need to visit the RZ10, and we need to, before that we need to visit the SM50, and then after we need to check the parameter value. If it is everything is running, we need to go to the RZ10 and we need to increase the parameter value as required one. It should be not 0 actually. You need to increase. So we need to configure. If it is there into 0 like that, we need to configure the PTC work process. There may be the reason whenever we're going for DB refresh time, like we need to hash this parameter value in default profiles in OS level. So at that time this may be stopped. That is the reason. And no job server is assigned. No job server is assigned. That is the reason. If the job server is not configured properly, also job is not going to be moved. The background job is not going to be still in release status. The start and date time, this is the major reason. The scheduled time is set by later. It is set by later means next month or 2 months after, like that. So that is why it is keep in release status. So, and next, the parameter misconfiguration means this RDISP BTC time should be 60 seconds, right? If it is set by 0 or something, we need to set as it is 60 seconds. And then after, whenever we are going for system upgrades or system maintenance, like DB refresh activities, support pack upgrade, some upgrade, so we are going to stop the all background jobs. So by using this BTC trans 1 program. So we are going to run this program in SCA38 or SC38. And next one is missing user authorization. The user may don't have the authorization to schedule the job. So that is the reason. So we need to give the user. So once you visit the SU01, suppose the user is locked. Suppose I'm giving like this Akhil. User is locked. You may observe. So we need to lock or unlock. We need to just click unlock. And then after user password got expired, we need to change the password. And then after we can give the password to that user, temporary password. Then by that password, the user can able to reset the here own password. And then after we need to change the authorization values. Actually, we don't have any user. I'm going, for example, one user. You assume that DDAC is a user. And then after you need to come to profiles and you need to give the proper authorization to schedule the jobs. You can add the authorizations here. The authorizations is taken care by SAP security team. And also whenever they don't have, and we need to add the authorizations. So where we can check the missing authorizations of the users, we can check the missing authorizations of the users in SU53. So this is supposed to send by the user whenever the user is perform some action, hitting some transaction codes, he is not able to do the transactions at that time. This is going to be taken care by the this screenshot is come to us, and whenever it is received by us, we need to troubleshoot on that, and we need to give the relevant authorization to that user. So we are compared with all the background jobs. Why stuck in this ready status, active status, cancelled or failed, and released. So all things we discussed as of now. So you just go through it. So these are the basic reasons to why they are stuck in these statuses. So if you have any doubts, you just watch the video and again, and you're going to get the full clarity on this. Thank you.